Hey guys, today we're going to be working on a 55 Chevy gasser. Turn this into something pretty special, hopefully. Hate to tear it apart, it looks pretty good already, but it must be done. Alright, let's get started. Okay, we got it drilled apart and stripped. I went ahead and switched out the windshield. I put some tires already on the base. The interior and the windshield. Got rid of that orange windshield. Let's go with that. Rather go with that one. And got this all stripped. So we're going to take this to the paint shop and paint it, and we'll be right back. Okay, we're back from the paint shop. We got her painted. Looks pretty good. We went ahead and put some decals on it too. So all we got to do now is put her back together. We'll be right back. We started with this. And we finished with this. That wraps up our video for today. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't. Be sure to click the little bell. Appreciate your comments. Give a thumbs up if you liked the video, or a thumbs down if you didn't. We'll catch you on the next one. Everybody have a great day. We'll see you later.